Kia ora! Welcome to our emergency preparedness videos. This is the marae section, so here we are outside Korongata Marae with my kite bag. Yes, we have a Korongata Marae emergency preparedness plan. The Marae Emergency Preparedness Plan helps marae be as prepared as possible for a natural disaster or an emergency. It encourages whānau, hapu and iwi to think about the natural impacts of a natural disaster and to recognise who can be called upon to help in an emergency. So the message is, get prepared and get involved. In our emergency plan, every natural disaster has a risk. Low risk, medium risk or high risk. Let's have a look at some of our disasters. Oh no, tsunami! It's a medium risk because Napier's way over there. Oh no, volcano! Lucky it's low risk. Oh no, it's a storm! And it's flooding! Storms are high and floods are medium. Yeah, right. Get under the chair! Too small. Under the table! Stop, drop and roll! High risk. Pandemic. High risk.